ALDI Mobile users often face issues with global roaming, particularly with data connectivity. This is due to ALDI operating as an MVNO on Verizon's network and relying on international agreements. The most common fixes involve enabling global roaming in the ALDI Mobile app, using the Roaming Assistant feature from version 3.5.2 released in August 2025, toggling data roaming in device settings, and restarting the device. To enable roaming, open the ALDI Mobile app and activate the Roaming Assistant, which automatically adjusts data settings when crossing borders. For device settings, go to Settings, find Roaming, toggle data roaming on and off, then restart the device to reset connections. This process resolves temporary glitches by forcing re-authentication with local networks. If the app toggle doesn't work, check your access point name settings. The APN is the gateway that connects your device to the internet. The default APN for ALDI Mobile roaming is often wholesale or VZ Winternet. However, international travel might require manually changing to local APNs. For example, switching to a European carrier's APN like web.vodafone.de in Germany might be necessary. Correcting incorrect APN settings can resolve no service errors. Cellular bands are frequency ranges used for data transmission. ALDI mobile devices must support compatible bands for roaming. Mismatches can cause connectivity failures. For example, US-based LTE band 13 may not align with European band 20. Use hidden menus, 4666 tug on Android, or apps like Network Cell Info to identify and switch bands. Consider that 5G NR bands, e.g. N78, are increasingly crucial for high-speed roaming.